If I told you you will have more than 4,000 designs, high quality branch and demand designs across different niches, they are ready to upload to your store immediately. And also you will have the origin files so you can edit those designs by yourself. Hello, this is Sad for another video. If you see me for the first time, welcome to Infinitive Passive Income, the best place if you want to make money online with transparency and simplicity ways. So smash that red button and join our Facebook group. So today we have Tshirt Profit Blaster. This program is great for people who want to scale their print on demand business. So you will have exclusive strategies that will make you profit every day, and also how you can set up an online store and get a huge amount of traffic. Plus how you can find profitable niches and how you can promote your t-shirts like a pro. Like you see here, if we play this video at the end, you will have some great results of people like you and me have done. You must know, if you want to scale the business to another level, you must learn some advertising skills to have the ability to promote your designs outside the platform with different ways, like open a Shopify store or a Spring store and start using Facebook ads and Google ads, Pinterest ads and more. And I suggest to see this video from the beginning because I find it very motivational. Besides all that, you will have and this is the best part, you will have more than 4,000 designs ready to use with high resolution and also with the original files. Plus you will have hot banners, ads, templates and over 6,000 premier fonts. And finally you will get hundreds of t-shirts and hoodies mockups. Total value is $970. You will have it for free. Just click at the first link in the description below to see this offer. And finally guys, if you want to make living from this business, you must scale it into the moon, because you should know really entirely on platforms and always be afraid if they close your account. That's why you must look for other opportunities like Shopify or dropshipping, and how you can promote your designs worldwide with yourself and start making hundreds of sales daily. So if you see this video helpful, I will much appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. This is your friend Sad here, and see you in the next video.